I'm Sarah.
I'm Maddie.
Okay, this is our first video, so bear with us. We're kind of awkward and
We've
weird.
been trying to do this for a while now,
Yeah.
but we never really figured out how to do it. So
Yeah, so this is our first video, and we're really excited. So, woo!
It's 5 in the morning, by the way.
It's 4:55 in the morning. She's lying to you.
I'm sorry. 5 minutes makes all the difference.
All right, so we asked a few people on Tumblr, and we got a few questions. So we're just gonna, go through that kind of stuff, and at the end we'll just see how it goes.
Let's just see how this goes.
All right, first question: what's your favorite animal?
Elephants for me.
Mine's
sure.
hippogriff.
Harry Potter.
Yes. What's your favorite band?
Maroon 5, definitely, and Dashboard Confessional. They're really good.
Very good. Mine is One Direction. I like them. Sorry.
We both do.
We both do. Totally heard of that.
Yeah.
One Direction, Copeland, or Barcelona. They're all really good, and I love them. All right. So I'm looking down at my phone to get the questions. All right. What's your favorite song at the moment?
I would definitely have to say "Give Me Love" by Ed Sheeran. It's so perfect.
I would have to say "Kiss Me" by Ed Sheeran, or "The City" by Ed Sheeran, or "The Girl" by City and Color. They're all really good songs. All right. Do you have any hobbies?
I really like to dance. Dancing's my life. I just noticed there's an elephant on this box, which makes me really happy.
There's an elephant on the box. The camera's on.
I love to dance. I just said like 12 times. I also really love to paint and draw.
She's really good.
No, I'm not. Don't
She
listen
is.
to her.
Don't listen to her. She's really stupid.
Thank you.
No, she's really smart. I read and write a lot. I haven't written in a really long time, actually, which kind of sucks. But, oh well. I'm kind of focusing on school. Do you have any weird habits?
I bite my lip a lot, and I have really long nails, so I tap them on everything. And when I text, it's really annoying because you can hear my thumbnails tapping on my phone. I annoy myself with that.
I do this. I roll my bottom lip between my thumb and forefinger. It's really weird. I don't know why I do it. That, or I do this a lot because I'm in orchestra and I play the violin, so I just have orchestra songs stuck in my head, so I just kind of play them out on my hand. It's really weird, but yeah. What's your favorite smell?
I don't really have a favorite smell. I have least favorite smells.
They're all my favorites.
Coffee and the smell of pine. I hate the smell of pine. It's disgusting.
It's all my favorite.
I don't really like the smell of rain either, but she loves it, so.
I love it so much. I love the smell of rain. I love rain. And I never drink coffee, but I love the smell of coffee, which is really weird, I guess. But ever since I've been making my mom, I make her coffee in the morning before she goes to work, and I just love the smell of it. I think it's really good. Or
boxers or briefs?
Boxers.
Boxers, definitely. They're so comfortable.
Definitely.
Sleep in them.
I sleep in them too.
Fantastic. Coke or Pepsi?
Coke.
Coke. Pepsi's a ripoff.
I have an addiction to Diet Coke. I love Diet Coke.
Really do.
More than my left foot.
And our last question is from our friend Carly.
Hey.
Hey, we love you. Your question makes no sense, by the way, but we still love you. Her question was, if I throw money to the ceiling, is it still free falling when it comes back down?
Okay.
No, it's not.
It's not free in the first place, Carly.
It was never free falling.
Carly, go to bed.
Yeah, just go to bed.
Yeah.
We love you, but just
go to bed. All right.
That was really all we had for this video.
Yeah. We had a lot of fun. We like doing this, so leave us more suggestions.
Any questions you have.
Or any challenges you want us to do.
Yeah, anything stupid, random, weird.
We got
funny.
it.
You hate us and you want to make us die. Well, no, okay. Yeah, please don't kill us.
I don't want to die.
Yeah, I don't either.
Too young for that. 16 is not that young. Oh well.
Yeah.
But yeah, we like doing this and we want to keep it up. And yeah, so thanks guys.
Thanks.